When using Chakra UI, you can easily create responsive styles without necessarily adding media queries everywhere or nesting styles. Chakra UI lets you add arrays and objects in a mobile-first way to ensure that your website is very responsive. And in this video, I'll show you how to use both the array method and the object method to create responsive styles while using Chakra UI. Let's dive right in. So I have this blog page and I got it from Chakra Pro. You notice that it has a 3-column grid, right? On desktop screens, it looks really good. But when we go all the way to smaller screens, the 3-column grid isn't looking as great as it looks on desktop screens or wider screens. So we need to fix that using responsiveness. To use the array syntax, this is what we have in code right now. So on line 11 here, we can see that our simple grid has 3 columns. All we need to do is to put in an array here. And next, we pass in the values as 1, 2, and 3. What this means is that Chakra UI will map these values to the corresponding breakpoints. So from 0 AM upwards, we'll have 1 column. From 30 AM upwards, we'll have 2 columns. And from 48 AM upwards, we have 3 columns. So let's see how this works on our page. So right now, I can see that as I go on lower screens, it immediately snaps to 2 columns on this width. And eventually, it goes to 1 column on this width. This is really what we want when we are dealing with responsive styles. So that is how the array syntax works in Chakra UI. So let's go over how to use the object syntax. So we'll take this back to 3 columns. Now, Chakra UI, it uses the min width media query for responsive designs. So for an object syntax, we need a key and a value pair. To get this responsive using the object syntax in Chakra UI, so we can say for base, we need 1 column. On mid, we need 2 columns. And on large screens, we need 3 columns. So to interpret this, all we've done is establish the number of columns that each of these base, mid, and large widths should have. So we're saying apply 1 column for base widths, which is from 0 EM upwards. Apply 2 columns for mid widths, which is from 48 EM upwards. And apply 3 columns for large widths, which is from 62 EM upwards. Let's see how this looks like on our page. So now we can shrink it down and we go all the way. You see, notice here how we just easily snapped 2 columns. And on smaller screens, we notice we have 1 column. So the choice of syntax is really up to you. Personally, I love the object syntax because it's very verbose. In certain situations, you may need to set your own breakpoint instead of the default that comes with Chakra UI. To do this, all you need to do is to pass an object in the theme configuration. In one of my videos, I shared how to customize the Chakra UI theme, so you can check it out to understand how to create a custom breakpoint and add it to the theme object. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate all the time that you spend watching my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button because it helps me and encourages me to even create more content like this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy coding. Until next time. Bye.